Vlogmas. What are you doing? It's my vlog. Keep running. Y'all, it's your girl Tier. If y'all new, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so y'all can stay updated. So all my social medias will be down in the description below. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Twitter, add me on Snapchat, so y'all can stay updated. And if y'all want to just be with me along the way. So I am currently at practice. I'm currently at practice, y'all. So we have to see how this workout's gonna be. If y'all didn't know, I'm sure y'all know, I run track. I run the 800, 4x8, and 4x4. And yeah, mid-distance type. I love the 800. The best race to me. Because it's mentally and physically challenging, but it's not, but it is if you make it. So like, you basically gotta practically sprint the whole track. Cause like in high school, these girls are really good. But today, okay, let me tell you how my day was, first of all. Today was cool, slight little day. It was cool. No, I'm just like, but yeah, all today went by super duper quick. I think it's because I had my AirPods today. I was listening to music all day. If I wasn't doing no work, caught up on a lot of stuff. I got my test back in chemistry. I actually did pretty good, better than what I expected. I got a B+ on it. That's good enough. I thought I was gonna do way worse than that, but I guess God showed me favor, and I did good on that test. All my work is doing pretty good. I got a poetry slam that I'm working on right now. My outline is due tomorrow. So, yeah. What else do I gotta tell y'all? I'm trying to update y'all. Pipe game is tomorrow. What else? Yeah. I'm recording the pipe game tomorrow. I'm gonna do a vlog at the game. Yeah, overall been really good. So today I'm gonna be doing a story time. It's gonna be a short story time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it because as y'all can see, I'm in practice now. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. But let me start y'all off. So I'm gonna tell y'all. Nigga? Yeah. So I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. So, okay, what day was it? It was Saturday. Okay. Saturday. It was Saturday. No. It was Thanksgiving. Which was a Thursday, I believe. Yeah. Moral of the story is something. Okay. So I'm on my way. I'm about to get some gas. I call my mom and say, hey mom, should I fill up? She's like, yeah, get it while she just go ahead and get the gas. Okay. I'm like, okay. I'm on my way. Mind you, it's 9 o'clock or it's late at night. Let's just say that. It's dark. Okay. So I'm on my way to get some gas, and we get our gas from BP. Got this app on our phone. We just got to sit in the car while we pay for it and stuff like that. Good look, cool look, yeah. So, I'm paying for it, right? I put $30 in, and I click the gas. Mind you, I don't know my gas, unfortunately. I'm new to all this. Like, yeah. So, pumped it 30. Okay, put my 30 in. Boom. Got my car. Because I try to hurry up and, like, get in and go. Because at nighttime, I be feeling like everybody is after me. Like, everybody is trying to everybody's trying to take my car. I mean, I'm not gonna even say that. Like, everybody's just after me. This man gonna look at me and lick his lip. He's like, and I'm just like, But anyways, y'all. So okay. So I pumped it. I'm on Midhofer, right? I'm driving. I'm on my way to my cousin's house. So I'm driving. And then my car, like, as I'm pushing on the gas, it like stopped. It's stopping. I'm just like, what the heck? What did I do? What could I possibly do? I haven't did nothing. Like, is it just the car? I get to keep on. I'm passing the light. I'm on 38 in Midhofer now by German Church. I'm on German Church. So I'm just noticing how it's stopping. So I'm just like, okay, I'm about to just pull over. So I pull over. I don't know what to do. I call my mom, say, my car is stopping. Then my brother coincidentally had texted me, with the grace of God. He said, are you okay? I was like, yeah, the car just stopped. He said, I know my buddy just seen you and asked, were you okay? Because the car was on the side of the road. So I'm just like, yeah, I told mama, woo, this and that. So my mom eventually gets there. We get the car towed to the shop, and we get the car towed to the shop. So they're trying to figure out what's wrong. My mama keep on asking me. So they get it to the shop. They was like, I smell diesel. What kind of gas did you use? My mom keep on asking me, what kind of gas did you use? I said regular. Like, regular. Like, if I was to go to Citgo, I would use the black pump. And it's regular. I don't know. It'd be one pump. I just be pumping it. And so most of the times, I don't even pump my own gas. I have somebody else pump my gas. So we find out it was diesel in my tank. I don't even know what diesel is. But I did all my research because I was like, this not adding up. On BP, it's told never go based off on the color. You always read it and go based off what it says. Because I didn't know. I guess at BP, their gas is green. The color of it is green because that's their color. So I never knew that personally because I never really started going to BP until my mom started telling me to go to the BP because we save money. So I've been going to Citgo, all this stuff been black. I never knew, like, don't go based off the colors because I picked up the black one. I didn't know diesel was for truck drivers. I didn't know. I can't even talk. I did not know diesel was for truck drivers. Like, who would have knew? Like, no, like, for real, like, I don't even know. Like, how do I know my gas and I'm driving? How? Like, that's something I need to know. That's something I need to do research on because I can't be driving and don't know my gas. That's like, don't even get to banging and don't even get to roast me in the comments because everybody makes mistakes and that's just a dumb mistake that I made that I will never make again because for me, I never how am I trying to work this? I will never make the same mistake 2 times. Never in my life will I ever make a mistake 2 times. So that was the moral of the story, and I'm gonna catch up on y'all after practice. Practice was cool. It was tough, but it was cool. Since I'm a mid-distance, I do the 800. I had to do a 4x2, which is 2 laps 4 times. But I took breaks in between. The tough part is just like my legs got to tighten it up. I mean, it was a cool little workout. Every workout is cool at the end. I mean, it's only how you build your strength and how you get better. Because consistency is the key, y'all. I keep saying this. I can't stress that enough. Because if you stop doing something, you not going to get better if you stop. You got to keep on being consistent and keep on wanting to put in the work. Because if you don't want to do it, then you're just wasting your time. Like, you got to want to get better. You got to want to practice correctly. You can't just like, you don't want to just be running just to run. You running to perfect whatever that is you need to perfect. But I'm not going to get into no speech or anything. If y'all liked this vlogmas, story time, whatever y'all want to call it, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. We all make mistakes. I can't stress that enough. We all make mistakes. Some may be dumber than others, but I mean, we just learn from them. I would never, like I said, make the same mistakes twice. That's what I won't do. I never will. I just won't. I always learn from my mistakes. Nobody's not perfect, but you gotta keep on just trying your best, giving your best effort, and putting in your best work. Always be fearless, but never be cocky, because there's always somebody out there working harder than you. It's always somebody out there each and every day that's getting better. While you out there sitting, they working. While you out there eating chips, they drinking water. You feel me? Like, you just gotta be wanting to better yourself. I mean, but it is what it is. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We all make mistakes. So, I mean, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.